Well, welcome back everybody to Canadian Magnet Fishing video. We're going to have a great show for you today. I've been really excited to even do this. I got the family even to help me out so we can make this video for you. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and we're going to put Platinum Online products with their beast magnets. We're going to put that to the test like I promised. So I got Dwight and Jess, which is my older daughter, or Jessica. She's the one that actually really helped me to even get this videos and all this stuff even going. I didn't know what I was doing without her. Thank you, Jess. I really appreciate it.
The family does. Yeah.
This is her boyfriend, Dwight. And actually, the two actually are engaged. We took a trip to Niagara Falls. And the romantic guy, whatever, he was nice enough. He asked my daughter engagement at Niagara Falls. It's beautiful, Dwight. And Dwight, welcome to the family. Love you, brother.
Yep.
And love you too, Jess. Well, off to the side, then we got my lovely wife, Tammy. Isn't she cute? Look at the smile on her face.
Awkward.
And then you guys all know from the previous video of my youngest daughter, Haley, and Caleb. You remember them. They're coming to help us too. And then we got my nephew, Doug. And he's going to help us line up the stuff up that we need to make this video for you guys. Doug is a heavy-duty mechanic. He owns his own business. Doug, can you say anything about it?
Stone Cold heavy-duty mechanical equipment repair. It's a fleet of service trucks, and 24-hour service on the go.
Perfect. So anyways, with this, we're going to get things rigged up. We're going to get everything all set up for everybody so you guys can view this video. And we're hoping that these magnets are going to do what I want it to do. And I'm almost certain that they're going to do it. I guarantee they're going to do it. Now, you're probably wondering, what am I going to do? Like, how am I going to put these magnets to a test? Well, this is how we're going to do it. We're actually going to pull my mud bog race truck with it. I think that will convince you guys. If that magnet can pull that truck, then we'll know it's a very good product. So we're going to hook a beast magnet to that truck, and we're going to pull it. So don't go away. It's going to happen. All right, everybody, we're going to use the double-sided magnet, and we're going to snap it onto this truck. Remember, I said before the poundage is 3,600 pounds. And we're going to snap this magnet onto the front of this truck. And this is going to show you, I put a steel plate in front of this truck because I don't want to scratch the bumper and everything out of it and stuff. And with the steel plate, actually, it works way better. So be very careful when you're doing stuff like this, because if you get your fingers enlarged between this magnet and that steel, it's going to hurt. And I mean, it's going to hurt bad. It's not going to be good for in your favor. So I'm going to stick this magnet to that steel. Now she's solid. All right. We'll get it all hooked up. And we're going to see if these trucks, or this truck here, can pull that truck. Well, I hope everybody's ready. We're going to do the ultimate test of Platinum Online products. We're going to see if that beast magnet can pull that race truck. All right, Doug, go ahead a little bit. I hope everybody's going to enjoy this. Let her go, Doug. Go ahead. And look at that. And it's pulling. The power behind these magnets, just truly amazing. Like, that's a big race truck. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely perfect. It's good, guys. Now you saw it. It just pulled that truck. I hope you guys are satisfied, but I'm not satisfied. I think we're going to do something a little different because we got one more magnet. So we're going to try something a little different, so don't go away. You're going to enjoy this. Well, now you've seen that magnet pull that truck. That's 3,600 pounds double-sided magnet. Like, to me, when I see it pulling a truck, that's amazing. Can you imagine pulling a safe, out of a, river or anything like that? Like, but I'm still not really convinced on it. We got an extra magnet to do. So, what I have planned to do, I think you guys are going to be really amazed once I'm done. We're going to pull my wife's race truck. So we're going to pull 2 race trucks with 2 magnets is what we're going to do. So we're going to pull my wife's hot flash race truck. Isn't she a beast? Just like the magnets.
I'd like to thank happy birthday to Dad after everything he has done for us, and thought we'd do something special for him. So let's go and surprise him.
Hi, Caleb. How's it going?
Haley, you're supposed to come over.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday!
Got you a little treat
Yeah.
for your birthday.
Oh, wow. Well, I thank you. That was kind of a surprise. Here we're doing a demonstration, and my daughter gets us a birthday cake. Wow.
You can blow the candle.
You're going to make a wish?
All
Well, I'm not going to say it all out, but I know you guys are viewers. I know darn well. You know what I'm going to wish for.
Yay!
Well, that was very sweet of Haley with the birthday cake. And I was actually quite impressed about that. And thank you, Haley. I love you to death, girl. So, remember I said with the magnets or whatever, well, we just seen that 3,600 pound double-sided magnet just pull that truck. Well, now we're going to take the 360-degree magnet at 3,600 pounds, and we're going to pull Tammy's race truck. And there again, watch your fingers, but we're going to tap that son to the bumper. And we're going to try and pull this one. All right, well, you just saw this Dodge truck pull my race truck with that magnet. Now we're going to take Platinum Online magnets. We're going to put a magnet on each truck with my wife's race truck in the middle. And we're going to put my race truck behind. Let's see if these magnets can pull these trucks. So let's hope this works. Everybody ready? You guys all ready? Okay, Rose. There we have it, everybody. Magnets are pulling. Platinum Online products. Beast magnets. That's a beast magnet for you right there. Well, everyone, I guess that's an end of the video. It's kind of a short video, but we wanted to show you what these magnets from Platinum Online products that actually can do. These beast magnets, they're amazing. And I'd like to thank Doug Stone for supplying his truck to pull the trucks for you guys to show you that them magnets do have power. His company is Stone Cold HD Repair. And if you ever want to get a hold of them, I will have a link in the description down below. And you can get a hold of him on any repair on heavy duty equipment. And I also like to thank is my family. Without them, I can't do this. And I thank you guys for all the views and likes, subscribes, and I hope you guys do more. Our biggest goal for what we did today, we want to hit that 1,000 likes. Like we want to show people what actually Platinum Online products actually can do. Now, when you get a Platinum Online magnet, and get what I have here to show you. All their products is great. They're not going to let you down. You will absolutely like them. I'll tell you, for the price of it, they're affordable. Like I said in my last previous video, you will like it. And I'd like to say thank you to everybody that's been here for me. You guys are awesome. You guys are great. We'll see you guys on the next Canadian magnet fishing video.